In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WooCommerce Google Shopping feed. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. Next, search for Google for WooCommerce, then install and activate the official plugin. After that, go to Marketing and click Google for WooCommerce. Click Get Started and follow the setup wizard to connect your Google account. Now sign in with your Google account and allow the requested permissions. Then connect or create your Google Merchant Center account and select your existing Google Ads account if you have one. Next, review your store settings and choose which products you want to sync with Google Merchant Center. Make sure your product titles, descriptions, images, prices, and availability are complete before continuing. After the setup is complete, the plugin will begin syncing your products automatically. Depending on the size of your catalog, the first sync may take a little while. Finally, open Google Merchant Center to review your products and resolve any warnings or errors before they become eligible to appear on Google Shopping. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a WooCommerce Google Shopping feed. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to WooCommerce Google Shopping for more tutorials.